Hey there! The market is about prices. Prices are affected by events, and events are what we'll be talking about in this new video. Watch it and use it to your advantage. Welcome to the Olymp Trade channel, the place to be if you want to up your trading game. Do you want to capitalize on significant market trends? Learn about big events that are likely to affect prices, make your forecast based on them, and trade accordingly. There have always been people skilled enough or lucky enough to capitalize on significant market movements. This practice goes all the way back to ancient history. In the 6th century BC in ancient Greece, Thales of Miletus was one such person. He anticipated a strong olive crop yield the following year and made futures contracts on olive presses. He eventually sold them for a massive profit as his forecast was spot on. That was fundamental analysis in action. In the 16th century, tulips were introduced to Northern Europe and sparked a century-long mania until extreme price fluctuation eventually burst the bubble. There was a time when a single tulip bulb could be sold for the price of an entire estate in the hopes of further price growth. Fortunes were made and lost in the tulip market. So now we need to talk about there'll be Ultimate Trading Marathon, where our experts will be trading live using most popular Olymp Trade strategies. You can join the competition to win prizes. The link is in the description. Turn on the notification on stream. Can a stock exchange be fooled? Absolutely. In 19th century Europe, Napoleon Bonaparte was the #1 newsmaker. When the rumors of his overwhelming defeat reached the London Stock Exchange, the prices soared on good news. Well, always check how good your news actually is and if it's trustworthy. That entire thing turned out to be a hoax, so when the truth came to light, the prices experienced a significant backslide. You must have heard the saying, "Don't catch a falling knife." It perfectly describes the Wall Street crash of 1929. The answer to why it happened is complicated, but to put it simply, no homework was done. At that time, the American economy was showing more and more signs of trouble, but most traders chose to ignore that and just kept buying. So it was only a matter of time before the house of cards collapsed. The market doesn't care how knowledgeable or ignorant, optimistic or pessimistic you are. It acts on emotion. So you better keep your finger on the pulse. The 2020 COVID crash is another good example. There were certainly people who knew that despite the pandemic blues, the market would eventually reverse and rise to new highs. Those were the people who made handsome profits buying at the bottom of the crash and selling after the recovery. These are the top 5 huge market events that came to my mind. I just wanted to show you that analyzing real-world events can be key to riding the tide of the market. Otherwise, you can be swept under. See you.